How to remove minimum age restriction on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Now it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So click on your profile and then on the top right, click the three lines. Now what we want to do is once we're in settings and activity, scroll down and press account type and tools. So we're just going to go ahead and find that right now, which is going to be towards the bottom. Now we're going to switch it to a professional account. And then basically you want to choose either a creator or a business. So I'm going to do digital creator, switch to professional account right there. Now, what we want to do is once it's done, we're just going to wait for it to to be done and everything. And then once it's done, we're going to reopen Instagram. Sometimes it takes a while to load. So what you can do is go ahead and close it, open up Instagram again, and then it's going to turn it into a professional account. Now, once we're opened it again, press the three lines in the top right, and it's going to look something like this. And then we want to go ahead and scroll down to create a tools. So we're going to see account type and tools right here. And then scroll through, and then you're going to see a minimum age setting. And all you want to do is go ahead and change that. So as you can see, there's a minimum age setting right here. You can choose a default one like so. And yeah, it's as simple as that.